What is wrong with you? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What have I told you about holding in a sneeze?
That's how I keep my soul from escaping?
No.
That I'm contributing to the worldwide snot shortage?
What? No.
Yummy going out, yummier coming back in?
Oh, gross.
Never make eye contact because that's how we get COVID?
Well, yeah, maybe, but...
Why eat Taco Bell when you can just eat snot?
Like, I can't even tell if you're joking or not.
The nose is the penis of the face, so go ahead and have a cum.
If that's what works.
That I should be like your mom and always swallow?
Take my mother's name out your fucking mouth.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was just kidding. I know you're concerned for me.
I mean, she doesn't even swallow.
I know she doesn't.
Yeah, yeah.
So why shouldn't I hold in my sneeze?
Huh? Oh, it's not good for you.
Can you die from holding in a sneeze?
Huh? No, it's not that bad. Maybe just a headache.
Well, headaches aren't so bad.
Do you remember what else I told you about when you have a cold?
What?
About blowing...
To remember to tongue the balls?
Your nose. Blowing your nose.
Really, Mr. Cat, I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. It's just a little cold.
All right, but don't say I didn't warn you.